Understanding Planting Guidelines, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting and very practical topic in the English language, planting guidelines. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video is crafted to help you grasp the meaning and use of this phrase. Remember, understanding such phrases is not only about adding words to your vocabulary but also about getting a glimpse into the cultural and practical aspects of English-speaking countries. So, let's get started. Planting guidelines refer to a set of instructions or recommendations designed to help you plant seeds, seedlings, or plants in the most effective way. These guidelines can cover a wide range of topics, including the best time to plant, the depth of planting, spacing between plants, and watering requirements. Understanding these guidelines is crucial for anyone looking to start a garden or farm, as following them can greatly influence the success and yield of your planting efforts. Planting guidelines are not just random suggestions, they are often based on scientific research and practical experience. They take into account factors like climate, soil type, plant variety, and local pests and diseases. By adhering to these guidelines, gardeners and farmers can ensure that their plants get the best possible start, leading to healthier plants and more bountiful harvests. It's a way of working with nature to achieve the best outcomes. Using planting guidelines effectively requires a few steps. 1. Identify the guidelines relevant to your plant variety and local area. This information can be found on seed packets, gardening books, or online resources. 2. Understand the terms used in the guidelines, such as full sun, partial shade, hardiness zone, etc. 3. Prepare your planting area according to the guidelines, ensuring the soil is suitable and the location meets the sunlight requirements. 4. Follow the planting instructions carefully, considering the recommended planting depth and spacing. 5. Maintain your plants as per the guidelines, paying attention to watering, fertilizing, and pruning recommendations. We hope this video has shed some light on what planting guidelines are and why they're so important for anyone looking to grow plants successfully. Remember, gardening is not only about planting seeds, it's about nurturing them in the right conditions. By following planting guidelines, you're on your way to a thriving garden that reflects patience, care, and respect for nature. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening!